Remember this guy?
What? For real? Yeah. I was going fishing, man. Whoa.
Is it loaded?
Hey, hold on. I do not.
Huh?
My Fourth Amendment rights.
Yeah.
Look up 790.25, Section 3, Subsection H.
Who'd you vote for?
It's not about who I voted for, man. While I'm engaged in fishing, hunting, and camping, I'm allowed to do this. Look, this is my constitutional right. You swore an oath to uphold this right.
Okay,
Hey, look, guys. No.
Why not?
Because I'm not doing anything unlawful.
Well, how am I going to know that you have the right to carry these weapons if you don't have your identification?
901, 151.
I don't know what that is.
Well, this is what's going on, everybody. I have already filed, and he has been served. So let's see how this works out. Fingers crossed, but once again, he violated my rights, and I even tried to stop him. So, yeah, I hope this makes a lot of you happy, because it makes me feel happy that I know that I'm trying to hold somebody accountable for the actions that they did. So, don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. I've got more of these, and if you want to help, there's links in the description. These things are not cheap. This is coming out of me busting my butt, me trying to work hard to try to do it myself. And sometimes you just need a little help. It's hard to find those special people that are willing to help. And I was fortunate enough to find somebody that was willing to give me some guidance, and I'm going to take that guidance and see what I can do with it. Without the guidance that I've gotten, I would have not realized that I could do this myself. Without the guidance from this one person, I did not know that I actually hold them accountable myself. So a huge thank you to that one person. I'm not going to mention their name, not yet anyway, but they know who they are. So thank you for giving me the knowledge and the education that I needed to help do this myself. And we're going to see where it all falls, whether it falls apart, good or bad, win or lose. We're going to see what happens. So like I said, don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. If you do want to help the channel, and links are in the description, all down there. And I can't say thank you enough to everybody that has been supporting me. And we're going to keep riding this road until we either get constitutional carry, or we just keep holding them accountable until they just leave us alone. So I'm out of here. I'm Soliaker. Deuces.